Welcome to Kannada Saurabha channel. Today we will learn Kannada Gunitakshara stage 4 letters. ಇಂದು ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರದ 4ನೇ ಹಂತದ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. Now we will see ಸ್ವರ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಗಳು, sign of the vowel. Here we gave ಸ್ವರಗಳು, below I gave the ಚಿಹ್ನೆಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ. ತಲಗಟ್ಟು, ತಲಗಟ್ಟಿನಿಳಿ, ಗುಡಿಸು, ಗುಡಿಸಿನ ದೀರ್ಘ, ಕೊಂಬು, ಕೊಂಬಿನಿಳಿ, ಪಟ್ರಸುಳಿ, ಏತ್ವ, ಏತ್ವನ ದೀರ್ಘ, ಐತ್ವ, ಓತ್ವ, ಓತ್ವನ ದೀರ್ಘ, ಔತ್ವ, 1 0 2 0. ಕ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಕೆ, ಕ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಕೆ, ಕ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಕೈ. ಕ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಕೆ, ಕ half ka and a swara matra, we will join, it will come k, ka plus a k. This a matra we are calling etva. Now we will see the words genasu, seke, beralu. For these vyanjanas we will add a matra. Ba plus a be, sa plus a se, ma plus a me, sha plus a she. We will see the word shale. Here a matra is there in la. Kage, here also in ga a matra is there. Male, here also la a matra is there. We will see the words with a matra. Kere, ಗೆಳೆಯ, ಚೆಲುವ, ಹೆಡೆ, ಎಡೆ, ಬೆಣೆ, ತೆನೆ, ದೆಸೆ, ಪೆರೆ, ಮೆರೆ, ಬೆಲೆ, ಹವೆ. See children, here I gave for ka to la a matra is there. Just see here ke, ke, ge, ge, che, che, je, je, te, te, de, de, ne, te, te, de, de, ne, pe, pe, be, be, me, e, re, le, ve, she, she, se, e, le. Now we will see a matra. A matra we are calling etvana dirgha. Here half vyanjana ka plus a matra, it will come k. Ka plus a k. This one we are calling etvana dirgha. We will see the words now. Kelu, jenu, bege. Now for these vyanjanas we will add a matra. Pa plus a pe, na plus a ne, ja plus a je, ha plus a he. And we will see the words now. Jenu, negilu, meke. Here for these 3 letter also, first letter a matra is there. Now we will see etvana dirgha words. Kere, geru, chelu, jeda, tepu, dere, teru, devi, nerale, pete, bete, meke. See children, here for all vyanjanas etvana dirgha matra is there from k to le. You have to revise once. Now we will see I matra. I matra we are calling aitva. Ka, half ka vyanjana plus I swara matra. We will join kai. Ka plus I, kai. I sound is there. Here now we will see the words dhaiva, naija, baigula. Here first letter I matra is there. For these vyanjanas we will add the I matra. Ka plus I, kai. Ja plus I, jai. Ta plus I, tai. Da plus I, dai. Now we will see the words kai, raita, railu. These 3 words also first letter I matra is there. Now see children, here for all Vyanjanas we added I matra. Kai, khai, gai, ghai, chai, chai, jai, jai, tai, thai, dai, dhai, nai. Tai, thai, dai, dhai, nai. Pai, phai, bai, bhai, mai. Yai, rai, lai, vai, shai, shai, sai, hai, lai. Now we will see the I matras words. ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕೈ, ಗೈರು, ಚೈನು, ಜೈಲು, ಟೈರು, ಡೈರಿ, ತೈಲ, ದೈವ, ಮೈ, ಪೈರು, ಬೈಗು, ನೈದಿಲೆ. Children, today we learned A, I matras. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ plus A, K, ಕ plus A, K, ಕ plus I, kai. Children, today we learned A, I ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವರ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿನಯ BR.